Hi guys, it's Amal back with another video, and in this video I'm going to discuss how YouTube changed my life with less than 500 subscribers. So by the time you watch this guys, I will be on more than 500 subscribers. That is because the previous videos that I have put out have done really well thanks to you guys. All the videos that I released in relation to the Cobra Kai cast, they have done really well. So massive thank you to you guys for that. So what I want to do guys, I want to keep this short and concise. I don't want to go on about every single little detail, just the important details that will help you start your channel today. So what I will do is I will highlight some key points that will help you guys start today. So the first point I want to discuss guys is negativity and comparison. So the human mind is very good at being negative, and we have to shift away from that if we are wanting to succeed. So by having a negative mindset, that's going to impact your ability and it's going to hinder your opportunity at success. So just a couple of weeks back, one of my friends was talking to me about starting YouTube. He wanted to start his own YouTube channel and he said to me, "What if it fails? What if I don't do well?" And I just responded back to him and I said to him, "What if it does well? What if it succeeds?" His mindset at that time was so negative that he didn't even consider what would happen if he did succeed. And we've all done it, guys. I've done it. I've been really negative, especially before I started YouTube. And then I just started to look at things more positively and really engage and try to put content out there for you guys. So you have to be positive. And what also ties into this, guys, is comparison. What you don't want to be doing is you don't want to be comparing yourself to other people. You need to remember that everybody brings something to the table, including you. They brought something to the table and they've built themselves, they've built something for themselves, and you can do the exact same thing, but you have to start from somewhere. So point number two guys is don't be a perfectionist. Stop waiting for the perfect story, angle, or lighting. Just get started now. So when I started YouTube guys, I didn't even want to show my face just because I didn't really have the confidence to sit down and speak in front of a camera. If you look at my videos from the beginning, I was literally wearing a face mask just because I didn't really want to put my face out there. But I started somewhere, guys. I still started somewhere, and had it not been for those videos, I probably wouldn't have. Some of those videos, guys, they weren't the best. They weren't completely going viral or blowing up, but people liked them. You know, there were likes, there were comments, people were engaging, and those videos are still doing well. So even though I was wearing a mask, guys, I was still learning. I was still learning how to record, how to edit, the best lighting. So I was still looking at those things despite the fact that I was wearing a mask. And you don't even need expensive equipment, guys. I literally use my mobile phone. I use my iPhone 14 Pro, which is really good and it does the job. And worst case, you can just get a microphone like this from Amazon. It doesn't even cost that much as well. So you don't need like really expensive equipment to start. I feel like that's just an excuse that's prolonging you from starting. So if you look at the comparison, guys, this is one of the videos that I started before. And this is one of the videos that I made quite recently, and you can see the difference in the angles, the lighting, no face mask. It's just me really engaging with the audience, and that's what YouTube gives you. It gives you an opportunity to build your confidence, to build your skills, to enhance your skills. So point number three, guys, is as long as you have something to say, YouTube will listen. Everyone's gone through an experience. Everyone has a story to tell, and you never know just how many people that might resonate with. So you won't know until you put that out there. So you might just be thinking, but I don't have a story to tell. And that's okay, guys. If you don't have a story to tell, it's absolutely fine. Do what makes you passionate. If you have something that you're very passionate about, you will make it your mission to learn, to grow, and to deliver. If you don't have a story to tell, think about what makes you passionate, take an empty canvas, and get started. Point number four, guys, nobody cares. Sad reality, guys, is at the beginning, as a content creator, nobody cares about your content. So, what I would say is use that time to learn and to grow, to figure out what your niche is and what you want to deliver as a content creator. It also gives you an opportunity not to learn new skills, but to enhance your skills as well, such as your communication skills, editing skills, looking at lighting, these types of things. It just gives you an opportunity to enhance all that as you go forward. And point number five, guys, just go again. Don't give up. If your video doesn't do well, it's absolutely fine. It's not the end of the world. As a new content creator, you can trial and error, and I've done that so many times. To be completely transparent with you guys, I don't know how my YouTube channel is going to do in the future. It may do well, it may not do well, but what I can confirm is that I'm not going to give up. I'm definitely going to put in the work and try to engage with my audience as much as I can, and you should do the same as well. And my main message for anyone who does want to start a YouTube channel is that you don't have to be perfect, you just have to start. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I just want to take this opportunity to say a massive thank you to all of you for 500 subscribers. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but it's 500 more subscribers than I had when I started last year. So a massive thank you for all your support. And I only hope that we can build a stronger relationship going forward and that we can have loads of fun along the way. So thank you so much. And until next time, take care.